So last time we talked about latent polyphony, right? Hidden polyphony. So let's see how we can do it. Okay, that was very good, but when you played, you got scared a little bit. The notes. But show it. Don't hold anything here. Honey, don't hold this. Here we go. That was so much better. Let's try once more without me helping. I think you can do it great. Let's start a little bit from the distance. Don't just go into. Listen, here, then gently. No, it didn't sound together. It says more. Più means more forte. So after we played piano this line, here we grow. Let's start over. So look, even though it says piano and there is no more indication, we kind of grow there a little bit. Look, this is just C minor, A flat major, and then look, it's much more tense, right? And then it releases here, but but here we go back to C minor, and then F minor, B flat major, E flat major. So we change keys all the time, and we need to react on those changes, okay? Not just play everything the same. No, this looks like you're gonna start forte. Prepare calmly. Now more tense. And now grow, C, B flat. Grow, B flat major. A little bit louder. More assertive. No. This softer. And forte. More left hand to listen to the left hand. Left hand